Hello everyone, I'm here to provide an update on Cognition Therapeutics NASDAQ, CGTX, Cognition Therapeutics, a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company focused on the development of novel therapeutics for the treatment of neurodegenerative diseases, recently announced top-line results from its Phase II MAGNIFY trial evaluating Zervimesine, its lead drug candidate, for the treatment of geographic atrophy secondary to dry age-related macular degeneration. Geographic atrophy, or 𝗂, is a progressive and currently incurable retinal disease that causes vision loss in people over the age of 50. It is characterized by the loss of cells in the macular, the central part of the retina responsible for sharp, clear vision. Currently, there are no approved therapies for 𝗂. The double-masked, randomized, placebo-controlled Phase II clinical trial, known as MAGNIFY, evaluated the efficacy and safety of Zervimesine in patients with 𝗂. The primary endpoint of the trial was the change in geographic atrophy lesion size from baseline to month 18. As of the data cutoff for this analysis, approximately 100 of the planned 246 participants had been enrolled and treated. Top-line results from the analysis demonstrated that Zervimesine significantly slowed the progression of geographic atrophy over 18 months compared to placebo. Specifically, Zervimesine showed a 28.6% reduction in mean 𝗂 lesion size compared to placebo at month 18. Reductions in mean lesion size were observed as early as month 6 and month 12, with decreases of approximately 12% and 16% respectively. Cognition plans to present further analyses from the MAGNIFY trial, including safety and visual outcomes at upcoming medical conferences. In addition to the geographic atrophy program, Zervimesine is also under investigation in the Phase II START trial for the treatment of early Alzheimer's disease. Zervimesine targets the 𝗖𝗎𝗓 receptor, a protein found in high abundance in both the retina and the brain. 𝗖𝗎𝗓 is believed to play a key role in synaptic dysfunction, which underlies cognitive decline in Alzheimer's disease and other neurodegenerative disorders. By modulating 𝗖𝗎𝗓, Zervimesine aims to maintain synaptic function and improve cognitive performance. As of May 12, 2025, Cognition Therapeutics stock is trading at $0.3 to $69, with an intraday range of $0.3015 to 42 cents and a trading volume of approximately 2.48 million shares. The company has a market cap of approximately $20.7 million. Given the company's early stage of development and lack of significant revenues, traditional valuation metrics such as the P/E ratio and EV/EBITDA are not applicable. However, investors may consider the economic value over assets or EV approach when valuing the company. This approach focuses on the present value of the company's future cash flows, which may be derived from the successful development and commercialization of its intellectual property. In conclusion, Cognition Therapeutics is a biopharmaceutical company focused on developing therapies for neurodegenerative diseases. Its lead drug candidate, Zervimesine, has shown positive results in slowing the progression of geographic atrophy, a retinal disease causing vision loss. With no approved therapies currently available for 𝗂, the successful development of Zervimesine could provide a much-needed treatment option for patients. In addition to 𝗂, Zervimesine is also being investigated for Alzheimer's disease and dementia with Lewy bodies. While the company's stock has seen some volatility recently, the positive results from the MAGNIFY trial and the potential upside from future clinical trials may offer significant potential for investors. However, it is important to note that the company is still in the early stages of development, and its ultimate success will depend on a variety of factors, including the ability to successfully complete clinical trials, obtain regulatory approvals, and commercialize its products. This video should not be considered investment advice. Please conduct your own due diligence.